morning, first graders. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. Let's go ahead and start our day with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Friends, we are down to the last 2 days of e-learning. Can you believe it? I can't believe that we are ending our school year together. We have some exciting things coming up this week for our last 2 days of e-learning. Let me go ahead and share a couple of those with you. Okay, so several of your assignments are going to be assignments that you can work on both Tuesday and Wednesday. And one of those include a letter to a future first grade student. So I want you to do a really good job on this assignment, because what I always do when I have students do this assignment is I really pass out the letters that my previous students wrote to my new students that come in the fall. So it's really exciting for first graders to be able to look at a letter that another first grade student wrote, and it helps them understand maybe what some of the expectations or what some of the good things about first grade can be. So that's going to be a really fun assignment. I have a video, a how-to video about how to do that, linked in the presentation today. So be sure to check that out. Also, to get ready for our virtual celebration that's going to take place on Wednesday at 12:30, I'm asking that you post your favorite first grade memory on this Padlet. And I've also included some instructions for that in the Google slide presentation. But be thinking about what your favorite first grade memory was, so you can write about it, post it on the Padlet, and share it with others. If you're in my math class, we are doing one of my class's favorite activities, which is a math mystery. So you'll have Tuesday and Wednesday to work on that. All right, friends, that's all for now. I hope everybody has a fantastic day of e-learning.